Okay, so this is the completed deck. A couple things to point out. I put a semi-transparent stain on it, 2 good coats that actually covered it up pretty good. It's a Behr, B-E-H-R paint, or stain, excuse me. You can see what I did here is I put some metal edging down the sides that went all the way down. Then I put rock and painted there, and so what's going to happen now is water will go in there and just go underneath the deck. It'll stop dirt from coming along there. I let the deck dry for probably about 3 or 4 weeks. Let the lumber cure out. Worked good. I also put a corner step on here so you can get on and off from this side. Turned out pretty well. So that's the completed deck, completed project. Looking forward to many happy hour on this deck.